Welcome to Astronova, your one-stop station for unlocking the secrets of the universe, one concept at a time. Here, we're on a mission to make the complex and intricate world of knowledge accessible to everyone. We take on the challenge of breaking down sophisticated ideas into simple, engaging, and friendly dialogues. Today, we're taking a deep dive into an exciting realm that's shaping our present and future, a realm that's quietly humming behind the scenes of our daily lives, making our experiences smoother and more personalized. We're talking about neural networks. Neural networks, the brainchild of our quest to mimic the human brain, are transforming our world in ways unimaginable. They are the powerhouse behind the technologies that are becoming an integral part of our lives. So fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this enlightening journey to unravel neural networks. We promise you, it's going to be a ride worth remembering. Imagine your brain. Now imagine a computer trying to mimic that. That's a neural network. Now, let's dive a little deeper. Neural networks are essentially computing systems, but not just any computing systems. They are special, designed to learn from the information they process, much like how we humans learn from the information we absorb from our surroundings. These systems are inspired by our very own brains. Our brains, as you know, are the epicenter of our learning, processing, and understanding. They are home to billions of neurons, each connecting to thousands of others, creating a complex and intricate network. This network is what enables us to learn new things, remember old experiences, and understand the world around us. Neural networks in computing try to mirror this structure. They consist of layers of nodes, which we refer to as neurons. These artificial neurons are interconnected, much like the neurons in our brains. When we feed information into a neural network, it passes through these layers, being processed and transformed at each step, enabling the system to learn from it. Consider a child learning to identify a dog. The child sees a dog, hears the sound it makes, feels its fur, and over time, builds a mental model of what a dog is. Neural networks function in a similar way. They take in data, process it, and over time, learn to make sense of it. But here's what sets neural networks apart. They can handle vast amounts of data and learn from it at speeds that are humanly impossible. They can identify patterns and make connections that we might miss. And they can do this consistently, accurately, and tirelessly. So when you're using your favorite app and it seems to know what you like, or when your email filters out spam on its own, or when your car warns you about a potential collision before you even see it, that's a neural network at work. In essence, neural networks strive to simulate the learning process that occurs inside our brains. They are a testament to how far we've come in our quest to understand and replicate human intelligence, and they're only getting smarter. It's a fascinating world we're stepping into, isn't it? When you type something into Google, it seems like magic, doesn't it? Well, that's neural networks at work. Perhaps you've noticed how Google seems to read your mind, predicting your next word before you've even typed it out, or how it suggests corrections when you make a typo. This isn't the result of some mystical force. This is the work of neural networks. Neural networks are the foundation of Google's search engine, playing a crucial role in providing a seamless user experience. They are intricately designed systems that mimic the human brain's ability to learn and adapt. They help Google understand and interpret the billions of search queries it receives each day. You see, when you type a query into Google, the search engine doesn't just look for matching words on the internet. Instead, it tries to understand the intent behind your query. It's like having a conversation with a very knowledgeable friend who can guide you to the best answer. Google's neural networks sift through countless web pages, images, videos, and other data to find the most relevant and reliable information for you. They learn from past searches, both yours and others, to deliver increasingly accurate results. They also continually adapt, adjusting to new information and trends. This is why when a new movie is released or a breaking news event happens, Google can quickly provide relevant search results. But it's not just about speed and accuracy. Google also uses neural networks to personalize your search experience. They remember your past searches and preferences, helping to tailor the results to your specific needs and interests. They even help with language translation, allowing you to understand web pages written in other languages. This is made possible by neural networks that have been trained on enormous amounts of text data, learning the nuances of different languages and how they translate into one another. So, the next time Google guesses what you're about to type, remember, It's not magic, it's neural networks. These incredible systems are working tirelessly behind the scenes, learning, adapting, and improving, all to provide you with the best possible search experience. Ever wondered how Facebook tags your friends even before you do? Again, the magic of neural networks. Let's dive into Facebook, a social media giant that has over 2 billion users across the globe. Facebook has been using neural networks for face recognition, a technology that has transformed the way we interact on the platform and has significantly enhanced security measures. Think about the times you've uploaded a photo and Facebook suggests tagging your friends. It's not because Facebook knows your friends personally, but because it uses a sophisticated neural network to recognize faces. This technology, known as deep face, has a staggering accuracy rate of around 97%, almost as good as the human brain's ability to recognize faces. Deep face works by analyzing billions of images uploaded by users. It then uses this information to learn and understand the unique features that differentiate one face from another. This learning process is similar to how our brain works when we meet someone and remember their face. And it goes beyond just recognizing your friends. Facebook's face recognition technology is also used to enhance security. If someone tries to use your photo to create a fake account, Facebook's neural network can detect it and alert you. It's like having a digital bodyguard that never sleeps. But how does Facebook ensure privacy with such a tool? Well, Facebook has implemented strict guidelines and controls. Users can turn off face recognition, and their biometric data is then deleted from Facebook's servers. It's a delicate balance between providing an enhanced user experience and safeguarding user privacy. The application of neural networks in Facebook's face recognition is a testament to how this technology can revolutionize our day-to-day interactions. It illustrates the power of neural networks in understanding and interpreting complex patterns, much like the human brain. So, neural networks help Facebook recognize your friends, making tagging a breeze. Ever felt like Netflix knows you better than yourself? That's neural networks making those spot-on recommendations. Imagine you're unwinding after a long day, browsing through Netflix for something to watch. You see a recommendation that piques your interest, and before you know it, you're several episodes deep into a new series. Have you ever wondered how Netflix manages to suggest shows and movies that align so closely with your tastes? The answer lies in the magic of neural networks. Netflix uses a specific type of neural networks known as recommender systems. These systems work by analyzing your viewing patterns, along with the patterns of millions of other Netflix users around the world. They take into account what you've watched, when you've watched it, how often you watch, and even how long you spend watching a particular show or movie. But it's not just about your viewing habits. The system also considers the details of the shows and movies you watch, like the genre, the actors, the director, and so on. It's like having a personal movie critic who knows your taste inside out. So, how does this work? Well, the neural network is trained on a vast amount of data. It learns to recognize patterns and make connections that humans might not see. For instance, if you've watched a lot of thrillers directed by Christopher Nolan, the system might suggest other films in the same genre or films by the same director. The beauty of these neural networks is that they're always learning, always adapting. As you continue to use Netflix, the system refines its understanding of your tastes, making its recommendations more and more accurate. This constant feedback loop allows Netflix to keep you hooked, episode after episode, movie after movie. And it's not just about keeping you entertained. This technology also helps Netflix decide what new content to produce, ensuring they continue to deliver shows and movies that resonate with their audience. In a nutshell, the more you watch, the better Netflix gets at suggesting what to watch next. So the next time you find yourself binge-watching a series recommended by Netflix, remember that it's the power of neural networks at play. Neural networks are the secret sauce behind your next binge-watch recommendation on Netflix. From Google to Netflix, neural networks are revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. Neural networks, the engines driving artificial intelligence, are making waves across multiple industries. They're transforming the way we work, play, and live, improving efficiency, and personalizing experiences like never before. Let's take a closer look at how they're doing this. In the healthcare industry, neural networks are aiding in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases. They're able to analyze vast amounts of medical data and spot patterns that human doctors might miss, potentially saving lives by catching conditions early. In finance, neural networks are being used to predict stock market trends, helping investors make more informed decisions. By analyzing historical data, these networks can identify patterns and forecast future movements with impressive accuracy. In the automotive industry, neural networks are the driving force behind self-driving cars. They're used to interpret sensory data, helping the vehicle understand its environment and make decisions in real time. And it's not just big industries reaping the benefits. Neural networks are also transforming our everyday experiences. They're behind the personalized recommendations you get on your favorite streaming platforms, the voice recognition on your phone, and even the spam filter in your email. But it's not all rosy. With great power comes great responsibility. As neural networks become more integrated into our lives, we must also consider the ethical implications. There are concerns about privacy, job displacement, and biases in algorithms. It's essential that as we move forward, we do so responsibly, creating a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. In a nutshell, neural networks are shaping the future. They're improving the way we work, making our leisure time more enjoyable, and even saving lives. But as with any powerful tool, they must be used wisely. Neural networks are not just changing technology, they're changing our lives. If you think neural networks have changed the world, just wait. The best is yet to come. Imagine a world where healthcare is not just about treatment, but prevention. Neural networks have the potential to revolutionize this field. They can analyze vast amounts of medical data and identify patterns that human doctors may miss. This means potential health issues could be identified and addressed earlier than ever before. It's like your own personal doctor, constantly monitoring your health and predicting any potential risks. Then there's the auto industry. Yes, self-driving cars are already here, but they're far from perfect. Neural networks could take them to the next level, making them safer and more efficient. The technology could learn from every journey made, adjusting to road conditions, traffic patterns, and even the behavior of other drivers. This could result in a substantial reduction in accidents and traffic congestion. Imagine a world with no traffic jams. In the realm of environmental conservation, neural networks could play a crucial role. They could be used to monitor ecosystems, predict changes, and suggest interventions to protect endangered species and habitats. This could mean the difference between extinction and survival for many species. And what about the world of entertainment? Neural networks could create personalized experiences like we've never seen before. They could learn our preferences, our moods, even our daily routines, and suggest content that perfectly suits us. Your favorite streaming service could become your own personal entertainment curator. But these are just a few examples. The possibilities are endless. From improving weather forecasts to enabling more sophisticated virtual reality experiences, neural networks could touch almost every aspect of our lives. They have the potential to make our world safer, healthier, and more enjoyable. So, if you're fascinated by the world of technology, keep an eye on neural networks. They're not just a buzzword. They're a tool with the potential to reshape our world in ways we can't even imagine yet. In the world of technology, the future belongs to neural networks. That's a wrap on our journey through the fascinating world of neural networks. We've traversed the landscapes of this complex yet intriguing subject, unraveling its intricacies and gleaning insights into how it's shaping the world around us. We began by demystifying what neural networks are, these marvels of technology that mirror the human brain's functionality, enabling machines to learn, adapt, and evolve. We explored how they're powering Google's search engine, making the vast expanse of the internet accessible and relevant to us. We marveled at the magic of facial recognition on Facebook, an application of neural networks that makes our social networking experiences more personalized and engaging. Netflix's recommendation system was another stop on our journey, where we saw how neural networks help curate our binge-watching experiences, making them more enjoyable and tailored to our tastes. We delved into the impact of neural networks, understanding their profound influence on various industries and aspects of our lives. And finally, we peered into the future, envisaging a world where these networks become even more integral, driving innovation and progress. As we bid adieu to this topic, We hope you found this journey as enlightening as we did. If you enjoyed this expedition through the world of neural networks and want to embark on more such adventures, remember to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and fellow curious minds to spread the knowledge. And most importantly, subscribe to Astronover to stay updated on our upcoming voyages into the universe of knowledge. We're excited to continue this journey of exploration and learning with you. Every click, every share, every subscription fuels our mission to make complex subjects accessible and engaging for everyone. Stay curious, keep learning, and as always, keep exploring with Astronover. Until next time, goodbye and keep stargazing.